See if he sinks in the puddle. Throw him in.
I can stop.
Uh-oh. Throw him in the puddle. Let's see you throw him in.
Okay.
Throw him in.
No.
Watch out, don't fall in. That's a deep puddle.
He sinks.
He sinks? He's not sinking, he's floating.
Dad,
see him?
hold me.
Yeah. Are you getting stuck in the mud? Wow. That is super sticky. Let's see if he floats in there. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna toss him in, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. He flipped upside down.
Dad, let's try ski.
Alright, Braden. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna do what? We're gonna dig. Braden's got his tractor with all his machines on the back.
Yeah, they're gonna fall.
They're gonna fall?
Yeah.
They're not gonna fall. Are you gonna go digging with those? Let's go find a place to dig.
What?
Let's go find a place to dig. Uh-oh. You lost one.
That's why there's,
We lost the backhoe.
Daddy, that's why there's too many.
There's too many in the back of your tractor?
Yeah.
Hey, we need to go over this way. You see that big excavator over there?
Yeah.
Let's go look at it. Uh-oh.
Isn't it?
We'll go look at it. Here, let's put this on here so it doesn't fall off.
Isn't it?
You want to sit in it?
Yeah.
Let me put this in here so it doesn't fall off.
I don't know how to drive this thing.
Yeah, you do. Come on, let's go.
Ow.
Yep.
On the concrete?
Yep, on the concrete. Whoa. What is it, Bray?
Dad, can we widen that?
Hmm?
Can we widen that?
What is this?
Can we widen the mud?
You want to go in the mud?
Yeah.
What is this thing right here?
An excavator.
It's an excavator?
Yeah, there's a cab.
There's a cab?
Yeah, the man said digging it.
What else is there?
A broom, a bucket.
There's a boom? Oh, yeah. You see that bucket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look in the front. There's
What's in the front?
look,
What is that?
Look, there's mud in the road.
That's mud?
Yeah.
Oh.
We can't touch it.
Why not?
Can we the excavator dig it up?
Yeah, do you want to use the excavator?
Yeah.
Alright, get the excavator out. Let's see if we can dig it up.
Okay. Ha! We gotta turn it on.
Alright, let's pull this out. See if we can get some mud with it.
Yeah.
Alright.
And
Where do you want to
there's
dig?
skins there.
What do you want to dig at?
Look, there's skins there.
Yeah, where do you want to dig?
Oh, right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Alright, turn your controller on.
Oh, let me turn it on.
Okay. Uh-oh, there it goes. Uh-oh.
No, it's
You gonna dig? Hmm?
It's got to go right.
It's gonna go somewhere else and dig?
Yeah.
Where's it gonna go?
Might need to go right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. There it goes.
You might have to pick it up.
You mean pick it up for you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Put it up there.
Whoa, look at this bucket. What's in this bucket right here?
Water.
Oh, it's full of water. You see these?
Yeah.
What does that do?
The teeth
What does the teeth do?
up there.
It digs?
That, the water has to get dumped out.
Did the water has to dump out?
Yeah.
Oh.
We can't.
Can you dump it out?
No.
Why not?
Look, it's moving the mud.
It's moving in the mud?
Yeah, we are moving over there.
Where do you want to take it to? Let me grab me one. All right. I'm gonna grab the dump truck. dump truck. All right, Bray. I got the backhoe in the dump truck. Where do you want to dig?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna dig right here. Can you pick up some dirt and put it in here? Oh, look how much dirt I got. Look at all that dirt. Oh, I'm gonna dump it into the dump truck. Oh. Yeah, your excavator's in my my backhoe's way. All right, yeah, look at all that mud. Yeah. Yeah, your feet are stuck. Are you getting stuck in the mud? Oh, I'm sinking. Oh no. Your shoe's covered in mud.
You gotta wash them.
Wash it off, yeah.
You turn it?
Yeah? You gonna move him?
Oh, you won't.
Is he not going?
Okay.
Oh no, let's try this one. Let's try right here. See if we can get it up on this one. That's a lot of mud. I think you can do it. I think he can make it up. Look, there he goes. He's so close. He's so close. Maybe if you dig some right there and make a path. Here, let's dig some right there so we can make a path. I'm gonna get my backhoe and dig a hole for you.
Yeah, you can get your back with your dog truck.
We're gonna fill it up with this right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it. Grab the backhoe in the dump truck. Fill it full of mud. All right, Bray. Bring your excavator over here and we're gonna fill this up. Got to back up the dump truck. Beep, 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 beep. All right, Bray. I'm gonna dig a path for you right here with my backhoe. And I'm gonna dump it in the back of this dump truck.
Look, see how it gets stuck?
Yeah. Right there. I'm digging you a path.
Dad, look, the excavator's trying to get stuck.
Yeah, he's right there.
The excavator's trying to get stuck.
He is getting stuck. There he goes.
Oh no!
Uh-oh. Is he stuck?
Yeah, he is.
Go forward.
I can't go
Oh,
for it.
he might need some help. Let me help you, excavator. There you go.
It's working.
He's working again.
Oh, he's stuck.
Look at all this dirt I'm clearing with this backhoe.
Daddy, there we go.
You see all this dirt I'm clearing with the backhoe?
Yeah.
Yeah. You should bring your excavator over here so we can clear it up.
Okay.
Can you turn him?
No.
Just turn him around so we can help.
He's stuck.
Here, let me help you.
He needs him. Oh, there he goes.
You got him?
Yeah.
All right. Let's dig him over here. Let's move him over here. All right. Let's back him up over here so we can get him to dig some mud up.
You have to shout.
Yep, I'm going to share.
Yeah.
You always have to share.
Yeah, we have to.
All right. Let's see if we can get him to dig some mud. All right. Let's see if we can get him up. Look, we got a little mud. You see that?
Yeah.
See if we can get some more. Get some of this loose mud right here.
I need a tractor.
You want to go grab a tractor?
Yeah, for you.
Okay, go grab a tractor out of your Your tractor. Yep. Watch your step. You sink in the mud. Oh, you in a puddle? Oh, you have to go around that one. You made it. I'm gonna keep digging. You need that skid steer? Okay, bring it over here and we'll dig with it too. Oh, you got its tracks wet. Nope. You're not sinking. It's really muddy out here. All right, let's see if we can dig. All right, Bray. You gonna dig some mud? You got some?
Yeah.
Look, I got some in my bucket. I'm gonna take it over to the dump truck.
Mine's not coming out.
Oh no. All right, time to dump it into the back of the dump truck.
Look, mine's going up.
Time to back up and dig some more. What's the skid steer have? What's that skid steer have?
But
What's on there right here? What's this right here?
track.
Those are tracks?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the driver's seat?
Up in there.
What's in there? What's that called?
It's
No, what's this part called?
the cow.
That's the cab?
Yeah, can you let me use that now?
Yeah, what's this right here?
A bucket.
That's the bucket?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna keep digging?
No.
Okay, I'll let you keep digging with the excavator. I'm gonna dig with the backhoe.
I got to wash them off.
You gonna wash them off?
I can wash them off over here.
Okay, I'm gonna dig a hole. A lot of dirt into this dump truck. Fill it full of dirt. You gonna put him in the puddle? Don't get him too wet. Uh-oh, get him.
Get them.
Uh-oh, he fell way in the hole. We'll have to get him out. He fell way down in this puddle right here. That's
Yeah.
a deep puddle, right?
He's
Oh,
still,
he's still working. All right.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Here, come this way so you don't fall in the puddle.
I can get two grab excavator.
You want me to grab him for you?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll take him over here and dig.
Yeah.
Look at all this mud.
So we don't get stuck.
Yep, I'm sinking in the mud, Bray.
Yeah, what?
I'm sinking in the mud. You see my shoes?
Yeah.
Look how muddy they are.
What's so muddy mine on?
Look how muddy your shoes are. We'll have to clean those later.
Then you make an excavator hole.
What do you want me to do with the excavator?
Make a hole for him.
You want me to dig a hole for him?
Yeah, so he can get stuck.
You want me to dig him a path?
No, a hole for him.
You want me to
So
dig
he
a hole?
So he can get stuck.
Okay, let me dig you a hole right here with this backhoe. See if he sinks in the puddle. Throw him in.
I can stuck.
Uh-oh. Throw him in the puddle. Let's see you throw him in.
Okay.
Throw him in.
No.
Watch out, don't fall in. That's a deep puddle.
He sinks.
He sinks? He's not sinking, he's floating.
That's
see him?
homie.
Are you getting stuck in the mud? Whoa, that is super sticky. Let's see if he floats in there. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna toss him in, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. He flipped upside down.
Dad, let's try skid steer. And the
Look, Bray. He's floating.
Dad, let's try.
Let's wash him off.
We're gonna wash my shoes.
Yeah, we'll wash your shoes later at the house.
Dad, let's get to our construction truck.
Yeah, let's get back to our construction site.
Excavator trucks are dirty again.
They're dirty again?
Yeah.
Look, we got a clean tractor. Look, he's all clean. Look how dirty that. Oh, you want to do the skid steer next?
No, I'll do skid steer first.
You want to do the skid steer first?
Yeah.
Are we going to toss him in the water?
We're not going to toss them in the water.
We're not going to toss him in the water? Why not?
Because we don't want to.
No. Watch out for the mud. Whoop.
I almost got bald.
You almost fell?
Yeah.
Oh. There he is. All right, let's see if he sinks or floats. You ready? Is he going to float or is he going to sink? He's going to sink?
Yeah.
You want to see?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to drop him in real high. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here goes. What's he doing?
Push him down.
Push him down?
Yeah.
Oh, he's sunk.
Get him.
Where is he? He's way down there.
Oh, no.
I have to get him out. There he is.
Yeah.
Woo!
Let's wash his bucket.
All right, let's finish cleaning him off. You see how far that went on my arm?
Look.
Look how deep that water was.
Look.
He's almost clean.
Yeah.
I'll wash it right here in this mud.
See if it works.
The dump truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's test it out. See if he still drives.
See, press the button.
Oh, he makes noises? Oh, he still works.
Look at me, buddy. Look at me there. Hey!
He's coming to the back of your tractor. All right, it's time to load up. Go get the rest of your toys.
Oh, no.
Yeah, your skid steer was driving.
No, my excavator.
Oh, your excavator was driving. Let's go get him.
Hey, mine is dry.
We had to put batteries in it? All right. I got the rest of the toys. I'm coming back.
Does it still work?
It still works.
Oh.
Now we're gonna have to drive around to the skid steers over there.
Yeah. No, there's only one excavator.
Oh, that's right. Skid steer and an excavator. All right, let's go. I did. Let's go fast. Whoa! Super fast tractor. Look at this crazy driver. John Deere. Uh-oh, we lost a toy. Uh-oh. I'll get him. I got him. All right. Let's go. Let's check it out. Come on, let's check it out. Yeah. Does this come down? Does this come down so you can hold on to it?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Look.
Woo! Look at you.
When you do this,
What's that do?
make the bucket turn.
Makes the bucket turn?
Yeah.
So what's this called?
Um,
What's this called right here?
the arm.
This is the arm?
Yeah.
And this?
Yeah.
And what's this part right here?
The bucket.
The bucket? Oh. What's this down here?
The blade.
These are the blades?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's just one blade.
Oh, it's just one blade. I'm sorry. Do you like excavators?
Look, you push it.
You push it?
Yeah.
Do you like excavators?
Yeah.
Hey, what's this color of the cab?
Black.
It's black. What about the boom? What color's the boom?
Green. White.
Yeah, that's a white boom.
And
Whoa. Look at this big spot they dug in.
look,
Who dug that?
the skid steer.
The skid steer dug that?
Yeah. Look at this.
Look at that water.
Look.
Yeah.
Put your shoe in it.
Look, it's green.
Look, put your shoe in it.
Put my shoe in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you jump in it? Whoa! Can you do it again? Whoa, it's a big splash.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yep. All right.
So I can take that one.
Yep. She's got you another one. Let's go fast. Uh-oh, stop sign. Okay, no cars. Let's go. Yeah, that's a big hole. It's full of water, right?
Yeah.
Drive your tractor through it.
What?
Drive your tractor through it.
And then
Yep, back up. Back up. Uh-oh. Go. You made it. You made it. Look, who's that over there? All right. Hey, Brandon. Tell everybody bye. Look at me. Tell everybody bye.
bye.
Say we'll see you next time.